In this video, we will demonstrate how to install a reserve multi-point American cylinder hardware. Verify that the hardware you purchased matches the lock that is provided by the door manufacturer. These are the components included in the kit. Choose the correct length spindle based on your door thickness. Then, insert the spindle and center it in the door. Make sure the black gasket is seated properly inside the exterior trim plate. The lock needs to be in an unlocked position. Make sure the set screw on the lever shaft is facing away from the door edge. If the set screw faces the door edge, rotate the lever shaft 180 degrees using the provided lever. Install the exterior trim. Now install the interior trim, making sure the orientation of the turnpiece matches the tailpiece. Verify the set screw is facing away from the door's edge. Install the interior trim and use the 2 screws to tighten the trim to the door. Install the interior lever, aligning the hole in the lever with the pre-installed set screw. Turn the Allen wrench clockwise to tighten. Now install the exterior lever, aligning the hole in the lever with the pre-installed set screw. Turn the Allen wrench clockwise to tighten. Your reserve multi-point American cylinder hardware is now installed.